Simplifying basic radicals. Here we have square root times square root of 16a raised to 12. So first we have to multiply this square root times square root, that will give us 4th root, then 16a raised to 12. Now since this is an even number, so we can transform this into an exponential form. That will be 2 raised to 4, right? Okay, 4th root of 2 raised to 4, a raised to 12. Now, the fourth root of 2 raised to 4, we can cancel this out. So we only have 2. Then how about the fourth root of a raised to 12? Now we have to think that how many 4 that goes into 12? So that is 3. Or simply 12 divided by 4, that is 3. So this will be the answer. Next we have square root of 4a. Now we have to find the square root of 4 alone and the square root of a alone. Square root of 4, that will be 2. The square root of a, that will be square root of a. So this will be the answer. Next we have cube root of 3.